the independence that we quickly fought for and people lost their lives, has it been worth it? Has it been worth it? Me, I have my own opinion when it comes to Obi has it been worth it? I have my own opinion. When you have the Unya leaders, be to say, John Ajekun Kufuomo, Akufo-Addo, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, you say, oh, independence, you're worth it. Because these are people who also are able to think outside the box, okay, and are able to bring policies, ideas, the nation or man. But when you leader bit to say, Yanum, one winning Yanum, then you always reach say, there was no independence at all, and then we were still under British rule. Because look, when you look at those nations that still have prime ministers, especially Ireland, the more Caribbeans and the others, most of them, they are still, they still look up to the king of England as overall a monarchy. Then they start with prime ministers and all. I mean, they are better off. And that is the reason why anytime NDC or Abayamono, now people are worried. Businessmen are worried. Citizens are worried. Civil servants are worried. All across, who say anytime NDC, I say we are all sitting on a time bomb. I said, I said, at the Bonibi Babesi. Now, you are not able to figure out the actual thing now and make you uncomfortable. You just can tell, say, something is not right. Whenever NDC is in power, anytime NDC wa buy mope, I say, Uda. Yes, we NPP ninja there be, but I said the soul of the nation, the NDC wa buy mo. The actual soul of the nation. And with time you understand why you feel that way. Me and man so it is saying long time no see. With time, you will get to understand why the soul of the mind nation doesn't feel happy whenever NDC or Abayamono. Now, it becomes Ghana no. We Oba, yes sir. Oba mpe say obi ntinti atitiye. So Oba, no woman likes to be at a place where a man is not taking care of her, a man is looking down on her, a man is taking advantage of her. So you see, say, wherever ladies are and they are taking advantage of them, they are abusing them. A kill your spirit, a kill your soul. It's the same thing with Mother Ghana. Ghana or your Oba. And he said, any government comes, and then Oba no tell me, Ghana to me say, government will be here. They don't have a progress or minor progress at heart, but they are only coming in to enrich themselves. They have only come in to make retrograde retrogress us. Omudi yekwe echino. Omani ninje. Eba no sanso we business enfa. Uko wari proper enfa. So now, what me say for the past a year, almost 2 years ni. If you find yourself in Accra, just on a Thursday and Wednesday especially, just go to a divorce court. Maybe a court no Accra no. Thursday, Wednesday, ko hone ko hwe bibi. Ko hwe line e wo court enim se omo pay divorce. Thursday and Wednesday, we just go to the courts. At Amos High Street one. Madam for be make assembly chiro. Madam for be call a land on you be nyasem over Asasibi until the assembly go court. And see offering who eba Accra. And on share that name they say courts no on various numbers and courts bi na yeko. And you call courts na no pana na who say ko be brave or baby line tin pa e wa Accra. Ono so wan be so and I got the line him. I see by 2 hours, 3 hours, almost because I say a line be ni because when say another line is for me baby fufu. I'm so line where they go for am pay divorce on line. Ghana hire Accra hire. I say, oh, and I want catch me. Me call law court e ko ka asase asem ho na meko. Enti since your mama aba ban mu we there even go for omu ware kura omu ni nji wa ware anem. No krepa because the country is not happy. The soul of the nation ain't yet happy. The soul of the nation is not happy. And that is why who are we Christian, who are we Muslim. So bombay. Oh, say ma enukra na meka kire o. Enukra asem. Oh, ntwa ntro enukra asem na meka kire o. Yeah. Enukra asem. Omani ni nji o. The nation is not happy. Now, unya form one na buying to say, we, your mama buying. And you are always thinking, say, oh, sorry, and now okay, you are counting down to 2028. I don't know whether I'm the only person, but say me sorry, we are, and I say, oh, okay, aka 2 years, 9 months, 10 days to 2028. That's already aka 2 years, 9 months, 9 days to 2028. That's how I'm counting. Because if you don't count like that, you don't have any hope. You don't have hope. Over the past 2 years, the way I've been tempted to leave this country on. Every single day, I'm tempted to leave. Every single day, I'm tempted to leave. And highest sentence for the gift. Every day, oh, sorry, Biano, you are tempted to leave. Someone say, my voice cry, me am my first degree. Me say, Miami MPhil, me PhD of pharmacology. Me call USSA, no. In NPP for 40 hours more US. And you should highest or bet me accommodating bet 10 days be. Me free highest in chair, my quantity selling and chain. Or met me now be 1 month. Me free at selling and chair. Let me call me bray a fair same crap. Or therefore, bet me now be 1 month. And go for minimum more USD, and you should cram me call what. Let me now be 4 years, I'm in rent. And today, Pia sorry, say, I mean, come here, then what my way. Come here, then what my way. But some of us also know, enam odo a yewo ma banku, any fufu, live soup, any fresh tilapia. And fresh tilapia also yen pe fish pond die, natural one na uko nsuo so kochi. Banku no so yen pe fufu no so yen pe nia, ye de fufu machine ye de there bi, ye pe nia odi wa hondin ye zim. Enam sa odo a yewo ma sa aduane no nti entimi mfiri o man we mu. Entimi. Me kai madam phobia oko US, a friend of Marionette, they say, oh yeah, registered nurse our US, or worry cry. The first day she got to the US, and our friend will say, Charlie, Sana hat here. Oh, there be. So I answered, I say, and try me to Hano. Time for dinner. And I had the pizza. Pizza, any juice be, any bread, and say, and that is her dinner. Also, or dream one on Tiasi. Pizza, any drink, any dinner, US. And yes, I there. Mu pack me nyama me why. Yeah. About 8 p.m. correct me di benku. Pizza and ice cream. I say what na US I more pizza and ice cream say dinner. Me coffee and meeting. Pizza, any ice cream, dinner. Hey, me so papa. And you must be the resistance and I say endurance. You mean to me the pizza and ice cream say me dida. Pefufuo bi, pe benku na benkwan. Benku wo ho no. Na me ko de pizza and ice cream. Sa sacrifice no be ye mu bi de ntimi nye. Ntimi nye. Me who the need fufuo chef of nsuo mu say wo ye no dan me enye fufuo ma me. Need fufuo enye fufuo ma me. Need benku enye benku ma me. Need abenkwan enye benku ma me. Enti enye yen nyina na ebetumi afiri akotina ma no. That is why always we are so desperate say as I say oman eyeye. Ese oman eyeye. Because if Ghana develop the way we want to see it, Ufri Ghana call US akotina or 3 weeks na wasamba. Ufri Ghana or Canada akotina or 2 weeks na wasamba. You don't have any business going to stay there. That is why we want to make sure say aban bi abeba bia no aban no say that aban no have Ghana at heart. Sa aban no have ideologies bia ebetime di oman ekwanim. Sa aban no have ideologies bia ebetime create jobs. And that is why you see many of us now we identify with the New Patriotic Party, NPP. Yeah. That's why we identify with the NPP, because NPP pen ya baya when you study. And yet because I'm an NPP new, Debbie, I did not just get up and become an NPP person. Minyan Krofam Kase, the party, no, there's a way you put it in chim, like they use the party to catch your, I think, umbilical cord or something. I'm not those kind of people. I was not born an NPP person. I wasn't born into an NPP family. I wasn't born into an NPP family. I was born into a pure NDC family. Unrepentant NDC family. She said, you catch it on say, sorry, me call for me, now me call for some America, now me feel for some America. And the man be able say man say, me feel for, the catch it on say, a punchy, and a be flag bearer, my NDC, crowd, metro my NDC, metro my punchy no. I'm telling you, me feel for no. O catch it on say, a punchy, ne pese, a be flag bearer, my NDC. Nti mu ye campaign ma ponchi no ntuma ponchi no me fie for beto ma ponchi no. So let's power tap and na ebusu a me free. And unfortunately no, out of 8 children me parents, me mama and papa I give birth to no, me na me last. Out of 8 children, me na me last. It me am last no. Me am last no. I can imagine all your other 7 siblings are omo we nim no me na your NDC. Nti enye say ebia na I didn't have any choice at me joining NPP. I joined NPP out of a choice. Okay, I joined NPP out of a choice and sober reflection. And that is why me about NPP. Sometimes the way I would tell about NPP, you know, different from maybe the way somebody who is from a home of patriots will tell you about NPP. We be talking about Dombo, Buzia, how do you call it? Dankwa ideology, for instance. The way I would explain to you, Ebia, Obi from will not explain that manner. Because me them say, they cast a Dombo, Buzia, Dankwa ideology. And yes, we are Kenyan, and so we are Munanian, and so we are Frenian, and so whatever. No. It's internet ideology. Is a way of thinking. So we are Voltarian. Now we dream say the way Ghana, the vision, the way Ghana should go, it should go the way Ebia Dankwa. Now we dream. You become a Dankwa person. Now you won't be brave. We don't like reading. Dankwa, Dr. Dankwa. Dankwa. He has written a lot of books. When you read, you understand how he sees Ghana. And you see a traditional, it doesn't mean say we free Ashanti region, ebia we are Buzia. Say we free Eastern region, we are Dankwa. We free North, we are Dombo. There be yes sir. And yes sir. When you read about Dombo, Chief Dombo, the ideologies, when he was in parliament, how he was making his point, how he was countering the Nkrumah government now. You understand why We even say Baumia is from the Dombo field. You say Baumia is not the Nigerian say Dombo. Most of the things that Dr. Baumia believes in, most of the things that you see him do, most of them, when you go and read about Chief Dombo, any ideologies, his way of thinking, his pattern of thinking. And to me, I'm a Voltarian. I can start thinking like Dombo. Then you say, oh, voice there, or a Dombo Nipa. So when you come into NPP, we are all the same party, but with a peculiar kind of perspective about how Ghana should go. Dombo ideologies. That is why I had a problem when we had a senior brother, a friend of saying Hope Sinadoye, any a kind of saying lawyer Wabena Samoa. Our Muka said, don't before there, they must always be vice president. Running with Neyema. Because saying that means that Omun party na saying straightforward, say we are Dombo Nipa there, you can only be vice president. It tells us that they don't even understand the party they are into. And party no who say, Miss Saba is saying, why? Party no who say, truly, no, penny football party no more Munti party na. That is why they brought the Patriotic Institute. 1992 before bebree na nkofo say 1992 when we bebree multi party na. You don't understand? And it's not their fault, by the way. When him say, "Oko Bible man, Jesus Christ that was a young boy, now on the 30s mono. He would take the book of Isaiah, read it, and he now explain to confide that from Sadducees any Pharisee. So sometimes, and about age. So, maybe 60 years when they were forming the party, I was there, and Debbie. And about reading about the ideology, understanding, and then becoming what the party stands for. Johnson says exactly. Thank you so much. Right? Many people are in the NPP, but lifestyle and say NPP lifestyle. Yeah. Because when you understand NPP as a party, what we stand for, you realize, say, NPP you're lazy. Now you're lazy, baby. Be a NPP now say, me juma be a woman is casting juma or bad 1 week later says juma is scanation. Sandy pan NPP ni. That's a ideology, a way of thinking. Germans have a way of thinking, and we call it German mentality. German need be a believe say baby all piano or you're better than everybody. And yes, say pride, but that is the way they have been brought up. They've been brought up to always solve problems. Germans. That is in their nature, to always solve problems. And the own German brands now, Germany. I remember I went to visit my mother, and we were sitting in a sofa. And obviously, I said, sofa, where do you know how old it is? It's this year, a few way more. I think that was February or January. I went to wish a good, happy new year. The old woman is growing. She's growing. She's, I think she'll be 76 this year. So she's growing and she's scared of death. I don't know why a 76-year-old woman will be scared of death. Who's what he saying? I'm 70, maybe 76. Who's what he saying? And go catch them. And go catch them and say, you. Let's go move from there. The sofa in which we were sitting, that sofa, year 2001 from Germany. Till now, the sofa is still perfect. The sofa is still perfect, impeccable sofa. German brand, no. Any car that is made by Germany, utina car ni mo say weigh a car. You say your cars and your vehicles. Munim say your cars and vehicles. One day we'll go into that one. Me told me vehicle and me told me car. I'll come and explain to you the difference between car and vehicle. right? So they have the German mentality. The same way, we have the patriotic mentality. Yes, that patriotic mentality in Intina, ultimately say, even though NDC are bayamba, and they were scaring TikTokers, they were scaring communicators, they were scaring former appointees nano, yanka yanu tumda. A mentality, and not just NPP ni. Is a patriotic mentality, new patriotic party, a patriotic mentality. Any two so poor, you can no create a favor Ghana. That is being an MPP person. Go and read about Dr. Dankwa when he was in prison. Oti prison in Nano. Let us out Chroman Krumano. Wow, Nukuman Crown one, Nakuma Benia. Yeah, JP Dankwa. When he was in prison, he was writing letters and stuff to Nkrumah. And Tijayo. Wow, so MPP ni yen Tijay. Sounds like yen so. Ah. And that is how we are made up. How that is our genetic makeup. No.